Hey guys, what's up? We really appreciate you choosing us to guide you through writing the best narrative essay. Be sure to smash the subscribe button down there for more incredible instructional videos to assist your academic career. Did you know that Ivory Research helps thousands of students each year with guidance and support with some of the trickier parts of their academic career? We can help with essays and dissertations, as well as CVs and personal statements. So if you are too pushed for time to watch this video, head over to ivoryresearch.com for all of your academic guidance you will ever need for your academic needs. Today, we will be looking at the vital elements to include when you are asked to construct a narrative essay. First of all, what actually is a narrative essay? I'm going to tell you. A narrative essay is essentially a storytelling essay that follows a structure that flows to the reader. It may also likely be an essay regarding something you have personally experienced or witnessed. Hence, the use of the first person way of writing is generally considered the best way to approach it. It is also appropriate to use figurative language, description, suspense, dialogue, which can be a stark contrast to formal essay writing. The similarity with a narrative essay to other styles of essay is, of course, the structure. There should always be a strong beginning, a middle, and an end. Or for academic purposes, an introduction, an essay body, and a conclusion. But with a narrative essay, this can be more like telling a story to the reader as opposed to a formal academic write-up. So, the introduction. The introduction is your thesis statement that includes what you are writing about and why you're writing it. Now, once upon a time statement won't really be appropriate for a narrative essay. Still, that theory can be applied when you are setting the scene in the introduction. It should include a hook to capture the reader's attention and give them the inside track to your narrative essay. The body of your essay can include many elements to describe what the essay is about, and you should note a few things about writing a successful narrative essay. Ensure that every new idea or area of interest should be a new paragraph. Anywhere between 3 to 5 sections will be sufficient. Be sure to set the tone early in the narrative. You can do this briefly in the introduction. Still, the overriding tone of piece should be established early on in the body of the essay. It is also essential to establish the point of view the narrative will be written in, so the audience can follow with ease. Whichever point of view you have chosen, make sure you stick to it throughout the whole essay so you don't cause confusion. Be chronological. Make sure you put the events in the correct and logical order, backing them up with facts and reasoning. Don't use fluff. As a rule, you shouldn't include anything that isn't relevant to your essay. Make sure every word you write brings something to either describe or enhance the essay's central theme. Use dialogue, descriptions, thoughts and feelings to bring your narrative essay to life, while making sure that everything is correctly introduced and made legitimate. When you are writing a narrative essay, a great way to compile information into a story-like structure is to, first of all, open with a hook and a brief purpose in the introduction. The first paragraph should set out and enhance the scene, introduce elements and people where appropriate. The second paragraph consists of a build-up to the main event or occurrence, using incidences, provocative description and suspense. Third paragraph is all about executing the climax of the essay, whether that is the happening, the actual event, the occurrence, or the execution of the central theme. Then comes the last part, the conclusion. The conclusion in an essay will always be a summary of the paper's main points, and a narrative essay is no different, although here you can pick out key points and link them back to your introduction, explaining the main themes and how things played out in the end. You can also explain how the situation may have been done differently for a different outcome, or things you may have changed to give a different perspective. A conclusion here can be in hindsight approach too. And there we have it. a guide to creating the best narrative essay you can write. We hope you found this video super helpful in writing your narrative essay. Be sure to let us know how you got on and come back and visit us at ivoryresearch.com for more videos on your student career path. Wish you the best of luck. Go out there and really enjoy your essay writing.